this is Afsana Safari with Royal LePage Sterling Realty. We are at 3786 Cedar Drive, Port Coquitlam. We are looking at a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, fully renovated house over 2,000 square feet. This house is located on a 7,000 square feet of land. Come on in and let's see it. Engineer laminate flooring throughout the house that starts from a living room and dining room, kitchen and hallways into the bedrooms. Freshly painted walls with European designs. Double glazed windows that prevent noise from coming in. This beautiful house has a custom-built kitchen cabinets with quartz countertop, high-end stainless steel appliances, which also include a wine fridge. Bathrooms were all done with Italian tiles throughout the bathroom that gives a very luxury looks. This is a 1-bedroom suite on the ground level. Beautiful living room area with lots of natural lights in the ground floor. If you need more details, please contact me.